John's journey from skepticism to Dogecoin investor. John was skeptical about the hype surrounding Dogecoin until the news about the SEC holding 25% of all Dogecoin caught his attention. He was intrigued by the question of why the SEC would hold such a significant portion of a meme coin. To find answers, John dove into Dogecoin's past, present, and future use cases. He learned that Dogecoin was created as a joke in 2013 but gained popularity due to its fun and lighthearted nature. It has since evolved to become a fast and inexpensive payment method that is also used for tipping content creators and charitable causes. As for the future, Dogecoin has gained attention from high-profile figures like Elon Musk and Mark Cuban, who have praised its potential as a cryptocurrency that can reach mainstream adoption. Furthermore, its community-driven nature and strong online presence make it a unique asset in the crypto world. After analyzing all the information, John concluded that Dogecoin has a bright future and decided to invest. He realized that while it may have started as a meme, Dogecoin has proven to have real-world use cases and a passionate community that is driving its growth. In conclusion, John's journey from skepticism to Dogecoin investor shows how thorough research and analysis can change one's perception of an asset. Dogecoin may have started as a joke, but it has become a legitimate cryptocurrency with real-world applications.